Meet your inbox and the first stop for every file that comes into Trustworthy. Files land here from anywhere. Upload directly from your dashboard, scan a physical document with our mobile app, grab a screenshot with the Chrome extension, forward an email, or connect Gmail to pull files in automatically. However they arrive, your inbox gives you a moment to review before anything gets filed. While files sit in your inbox, our autopilot AI analyzes each one and suggests where it should go. Files appear in one of three states. State 1, autopilot suggests a location that doesn't exist yet. It'll create a new page for you automatically. You'll see a new badge, so you know something's being created. Hit accept, and the file moves out of your inbox into that brand new page. State 2, autopilot recognizes an existing location. It finds the right page and suggests filing the file there. Accept it, and it's done. The file lands exactly where it belongs. State 3, autopilot isn't sure. When it can't confidently identify a file, it gives you a pick a location button so you can browse and choose manually. You can click any row to expand it and get more detail. Open a preview, read an AI summary, confirm or change the filing location, and edit any details before accepting. Here's where it gets powerful. When Autopilot analyzes a file, say an insurance policy, it surfaces related entities it discovered, a company like Geico, people, vehicles. Hit the green plus button to create pages for any of them. That creates a dedicated record where you can store files, add details, and build out your family's data over time. And those pages come pre-populated. Create a vehicle page from an insurance policy, and Trustworthy already knows the make, model, and VIN number, pulled automatically from the document. Finally, if something lands in your inbox that you don't want to keep, use the overflow menu or the drawer to delete it. Your inbox keeps you in control, with AI doing the heavy lifting.